So it's December. We figured now's a good time to get started on full off-season teardown. This year, especially since we have the space for it, which is nice, we're gonna go all the way down to the bare chassis on the car. We haven't done that in about 2 years. And so that means every last nut and bolt, piece of wiring, hose, all the body panels, the subframes, everything is gonna come off, and we're actually gonna send it up to get the whole thing blasted, taking all the paint off down to the bare metal, because it's got about 3 or 4 layers of paint on it, so it'll get us a fresh bare metal base for some of the metal work we want to do to the chassis in the off season, and also cut a bunch of weight out. So getting ready. Yeah, now that Ryan's car's out of the race, I think we're winning. So oldest chassis, this thing's bounced off the walls a couple times, but she's still tracked straight and still rips. It's still podiums all the time, so why not?
This is a fresh Lexan big sheet that I'm going to share with Chris. This is going to be the back window for my E46 and then the back window for his 370Z. So you just got to go pick it up.
All right, what else we got under here? Pull this harness up before I run it over anymore. Dude, this is where all the cheats are! Stop looking!
Give it the ether! Got mouth starting fluid. Battery's dead on this little unit right here. Got the little jump pack, and then we're just gonna try to give it a little bit of help with this little guy. And then I'm gonna take this and go get black spray paint. Maybe some wheelies in our near future, I don't know. Yeah, right. Works every time. I bet you $10 I can wheelie at the top of the street in the first 2 tries. Not warm yet.
So we got the BMW in shop here. We're in Santa Ana. Jeff at Tig Productions. He's kind of helping us finish the whole project off. Danny did a great job getting us most of the way there. And then now Jeff's gonna come here and just basically make sure everything's tightened, ready to go. And we got the right guy working on it, because so far, all these little details like the hood latch, the pieces in the door, locking mechanisms, dash, electrical, everything's super tightened up and very clean. That thing is powerful. But that's just also because there's no muffler on it, huh? That's not gonna
No muffler on it right now.
Yeah. We just started it up for the first time, which was awesome. Probably louder than it's supposed to be because there's no muffler on it, but super excited to see this car coming together even more and see how clean and organized everything is. And I think it's a matter of time before this thing is completely done. And we're kind of shooting for mid-January that this thing is gonna be on the road, ready to go. So, man, I'm super stoked. So we are seeing progress at rapid speeds now. Stay tuned, this thing is about to be done.
Skateboard with brakes. I tried to ride it to the end of the street on like basically wussy mode and it scared the crap out of me, so.
Yeah, it's getting better now. I can like wake surf and do like a lot of stuff as long as I'm on the board, but just like,
damn, dude.
So basically just the way that it's like really random, like just kind of like came off the board, and the board usually stops on the sand when it slides up the shore, and just the way it stopped and I came down on it, it just the rail of the board just wedged up into my heel, cut all the way down to the Achilles.
Whoa, you're lucky, dude. Gotta get him hot. Yeah, get him hot. Burn out, Fox. Yeah, brother. I'm railing donuts right now, all right? Oh,
It's on 12-mile-per-hour speed limit.
That's all Dylan needs is 12 miles an hour.
Yeah, I don't need to go any faster. Should we trade remotes and drive for each other? Go and hit that baby. 26er, huh? Yeah, he's ripping.
Oh, shocker, bro!
Oh yeah.
Looks so sick.
Not in California anymore.
No way, dude.
Too damn
Press
cold.
here. Dylan, whose idea was it to come out here?
I don't know. It's really cold though.
It's freaking cold, dude. Oh no, that's just too. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Dude, give me that.
Literally watching Dylan fan out on 2 whoa over here. Yo, you are so pumped. Calm her down, dude. Just hang out in the hallway where all the cool stuff is.
We're trying to find the halls that we saw yesterday, but we forgot where they are because, you know, this place is huge. So he's
See, I
part
have
of the
this
app.
map, but it doesn't tell me where I am. Our good buddy RD, he's showing us the show. Exhibits that way. Can't find Drive Shaft Shop, that's where we're going. Hey, well, I'm pretty sure it's got your name on it, it's yours, right? So we can just take this whole stack. Just take this one, take this one, take this one.
Wait a second.
What's up with these guys?
Is that ours?
What's up with these Richards?
Is that ours?
That's your name on it.
This is mine. This is ours. This is going back to the shop.
I got my headset, get some nitrous. Cool.
All right.
This is actually a transmission I run in the comp car. Hollinger RD6, super awesome. Turk's been on his for 5 years, not a single failure. And I got about 3 on mine, so it's like one of the best transmissions ever used. I have broken pretty much everything in a drivetrain except the Hollinger transmission, so we'll put it that way.
Yeah.
Oh, who's here?
Hey, Biddy!
Multiplying with idiots over here. Cruising around, we're at the Daily Engineering booth, checking out, drive some stuff that I run this on my car. I love it. Just once again, checking out all the cool race car stuff that we pay for and pay a lot of money for, but keeps our cars running good. Let's go over to Motec and look at more stuff we pay for.
Oh my god. This is like the greatest bar ever. It's all arcade games, and they're all free.
Dude, this is the best game of all time.
Never heard of it.
Fucking pinball party, dude. Look at this thing. I've never seen a Metallica pinball machine. What are you doing?
And blasting some freaking aliens, dog. I'm just bummed. I suck at video games. All of them. Doesn't matter what it ball, the zombie game,
Tron,
Galaga,
off-road, super off-road.
Okay, I had the red car. That was bull. You tried it.
I told it was bull. How about thumb shot? You wanna get high def on that thing?
How?
Yeah, pretty wicked. Oh, never mind. False alarm.
Make it work.
What is this thing?
That is a charger. That's not a jump box.
I'm like looking for any. So there's like lots of little lights on it, but there's no buttons on it.
Hey.
What's the date today?
Hey, dude, it's December 16th. Oh, it is. He probably wrote that right before we got here.
What? Dude, who has these? Who gardens those? Feel that.
I don't need to.
Feel that thing, bro. Ow.
You know that we're starved for content when we're back to what's Dylan eating.
Flame Brother today. Usually I would like to say Marie Callender's chicken pot pies. Those are like pretty much my favorite, but this will work for now. You know what I do? I pop the lid off and just pump it right on there. I just skip the whole little thing process. Gotta get lost in the sauce, dog.
Training tunnel's seen better days.
Yeah, that is a pretty massive hole in the car. I think I totaled this thing, but that's fine. We'll build it even better.
So we got here our economy version of a toolbox. Just a little guy. You can fit 24 people up top. It's got 8 TVs on it. Ready to go to the track, boys. Shop's a little messy right now, but I can't help but look around and see all the cool stuff. Race car. Race car. Race car. Nerd. Race car. Race car. Sort of race car. With age comes a cage, Kenan. You know? Let me tell you. Hey, pork chop!
Hey, surf skate guy now.
Yeah, I know about stuff. I'm from Cali.
You don't need Austin Keene.
Yeah.